Okay, this is a video just quickly. This USB RS232 to USB interface. We're going to load up and do the settings for Rob's new PC. This is the serial interface adapter, just in case you want to buy another one, made by Belkin. Okay, this is the CD that we need to install onto your PC to able to allow the interface to communicate to the RS232 or the AC03 controller. So we're just going to load this on. Okay. It will automatically run once it's detecting the disk. Okay, so now it's running. Belkin program. Go next, next. Go next. Next, yep. Okay, now the software should be on the PC. Okay. And we go, yes, I want to restart my computer, go finish. So best to probably not have anything open while downloading the drivers and the software. So just restarting the computer now, which will have all the updated driver and software for that RS232 to USB interface device. Windows XP should be very similar to Windows 7. Yours could take forever. So in the meantime, while we're waiting for that, we're going to connect up the RS232. This is the RS232, which goes into the back of the controller. And this is the USB, which we're not going to connect up just yet until the computer, laptop is finished. So we're just going to connect it up to the back, secure it via the screws for the moment. That's the best way to have it, to make sure that if you're writing anything to the PC or vice versa, that it doesn't stop any of the communication, which can cause some damage if it's not completely written. So we're just logging in. So you have to start up your PC again. So just quickly, this RS232 cable basically connects up to and screws into the Belkin USB interface, which then will plug into your computer via USB, which is more of a standard communication port for a laptop. Okay, so now we're going to put it. One thing that I've noticed, that you need to put it into the same port all the time is the best way. So put it into one of your ports like that. Okay, just looking at the computer. See, now it is found. It's found the new hardware, Belkin components. So now we'll be starting to do the configuration. Okay, I think now what we can do is open up Light Edit to check. So now it's flashing, which tells me that it's the light's on in a way, so that it's working. So we're just going to open up the software. Can you open it?
You don't see the port.
Oh. Okay, so we're just going to check the port go to My Computer, right click, go to Properties, and then we go to Hardware, go to Device Manager, then we go to the ports COM and LPT, then we should see the Belkin serial on USB port, COM port number 15 for this one, but you'll notice that on yours it'll either have COM port whatever number, so it might be 1 to 15. Then we close that down so we know that the communication port is 1 to 15. Then we open up Light Edit by Comapp, opening up the program now. And then what we want to do is we want to go open up direct communication line. Just use his button.
So it's 15.
So COM port 15. Yep. So we just, can you go back and do that again? So cancel. So when we open up Light Edit, we go to Options, go to Connection, go to, you'll see on the list here that there'll be COM number 15, Belkin serial on USB port. So go OK, highlight and then OK. And then what we want to do is we want to open up a direct contact. Controller address will be always number 1 for one controller connected up to the PC. Okay, so now at the moment it is now starting to communicate, and once it goes green it's communicating. So now it is connected. We're just going to check. Yes, it's all connected up. And then the next step is with any of the new generators with an AC03 is to save the settings as per the videos before. And now you'll notice on the USB interface that all the lights are flashing. So you've got your communication to the actual AC03, and then you've got the receival of data as well. And that's how you do it.